Good morning, everyone. This vlog is how to pack for Kilimanjaro. It's the same thing as Mount Meru. I just added more stuff in it, like the top and the bottom, and including the socks as well. And because a higher altitude, you need more clothes to protect you from the winter weather. The duffel bag, it has to be less than 15 kilogram. They prefer less, because one porter carries it to one camp to the other camp. So I have the duffel bag. The requirement is about 80 to 100 liters. And it has to be waterproof because they pack it and then put it on their back and transport it to the other camp. So for the duffel bag, I'm just going to review everything. My hands easily get cold, and so I brought this Sherpa gloves, and then this glove I use actually every day. I saw some people had their back of their hands